Hi, welcome back to fifth video of this Java programming series. So we have planned to discuss five basic data types that has been more frequently used in while Java program. So while we code a Java program. So so the five planned data type to discuss in this video are integer, float, float or double, then character, string and then boolean. So five different data types. So first we will start with integer. So integer is a data type that carries or that holds numerical value. So not a fractional value, numerical value alone. So it can be 0, 66, 55, anything. So arithmetic operations can be performed very easily. So this is an example for how to use integer data type. So what is the nature of integer data type? So now we will jump into double. So double or float. So double is a data type that holds fractional values. So it can be 100.3. So this is the second data type. The third one is character. So character data type is capable of storing single character value. It can be anything right from A, B, C, any alphabets, lowercase or uppercase, or even special characters, or even numbers inside a single code can be considered as a character. It is also a character. So only when we convert this character to an integer, that 2 will be stored as 2. Otherwise, it will be a string value of 2. Character value of a 2. So, right. And the fourth data type is string. So, string is nothing but a collection of characters. So as of now we have discussed integer, double and a character. So all these three are data types, but string is a class actually. So it differs from the rest of the three data types, integer, double and character. So whereas integer, double and character are a data type, whereas string is a class specifically made to have much processing capacity for string data types actually. So through this string class we'll be able to do even bigger concepts of string processing very easily. So I'll show you how. So there are a lot of built-in methods available with string class to make string processing very easy. So we can get an index of a specified character in a string. We can get a character at an index of some given value, index of first, index of last, or we can take a substring from the string. We can get length of the string. Many built-in methods are available to make string processing more easier. So this is another data type. Finally, we will end up with Boolean value. So Boolean value is a data type that can store only two values, either true or false. So these data types will be more utilized during condition checking, like if statement or looping. something like that. So true or false, any one of the value. So I think we have discussed integer, double, character, string and boolean. So five basic data types that we use more frequently while we code in Java. So not only in Java, these data types are basics in almost all the programming concepts, but we have discussed in relation with Java. So I think this video is useful. In case you have queries, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.